Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 10th May. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have made good money because I recommended to buy Euro USD above this level, and as you can see, after crossing this level with good amount of volume, how the market went. So hopefully you are in a good profit right now, and my videos are really helping you to make money. So what should be a strategy for Monday? Let's find out. As you can see right now, market has crossed the level, and that's a good news. And as we all know, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. Just look at the overall chart. If you look at the overall chart, then it is no brainer that yes, the trend is towards the upside. Okay, and if I look at the weekly time frame, okay, the time frame of the big boys, we can see that yes, previous week market has formed a green bullish candle with price rejection from below, which signifies that yes, bulls are in charge, bulls are dominating the market right now. So there is a good possibility that this week also market will be under the influence of the bulls. Okay, so this is the overall idea that we got from the weekly chart. Now let's find out what should be a strategy for Monday. As I've already mentioned, that this was the level where we had the money making spot, and you have made money here. Okay, and right now we can see that market has crossed this level. Okay, but there is a but here. As I always say, okay, before executing any order, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, overall the trend is towards the upside. I have shown you in the weekly chart, and in the 4 hours time frame also, you can easily see that market is towards the upside. Okay, so considering these factors, what should be your you should be looking for? You should only be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, if you are looking for selling opportunities, and if you have short the Euro USD, then you are in the wrong side, my friend. In an uptrend market, you should only be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so if you are thinking that you'll short the market here, then this will be wrong. You'll be going against the discipline. Okay, and if you are thinking that I'll buy Euro USD once the market opens on Monday, then also you'll be going against the discipline. You will be making a mistake. Let me tell you why. See, if you buy here, okay, then your stop loss will be here. Don't you think this gap is too much? Okay, and you can see the market is also in the overbought zone. So you can see the market is overbought zone. So there market will come down to cool off. Market needs rest. So in case markets come down to this particular level, then your account will start bleeding. Your account will be in deep red. As I always say, you should always be looking for area of value. Whenever you are looking for buying opportunity, your area of value will always be near the support. Okay, so we need to find out the area of support near on this Euro USD chart. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Our strategy for Euro USD should be wait for the market to open on Monday. Okay, and as I've already mentioned, market is in overbought zone. So let the market come down to the oversold zone. Okay, this is stochastic RSI indicator, my favorite indicator. Okay, wait for the market to come down to the oversold zone. When market will be in oversold zone, then just look at the position of the price. Okay, there are two possibilities here. The first possibility here is that, as you can see, when market was in uptrend, okay, when market was in beautiful uptrend, it was taking support at the 50 moving average, and right now we can see that market is trading above the 50 moving average. So if market comes down to the oversold zone to take rest, okay, and when it will be going up, then there is a possibility that market will be taking support at the 50 moving average. So if you see that market is taking support at the 50 moving average and it is about to bounce from 50 moving average, then it is a good place to buy. This is your area of value. Your area of value will be near the 50 moving average. The second possibility is, as you can see, market has moved with good amount of volume and good pressure. So there is a possibility that market will consolidate. Okay, market will consolidate in this present level for quite some time. So if you see that market is consolidating, okay, market is consolidating for a couple of hours, then wait for the market and just watch it. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the overbought zone. When stochastic RSI will be in overbought, when stochastic will be going up from the oversold zone like this, then you just go for buy order. Okay, so the first possibility is wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average, let it take support at the 50 moving average. When it will bounce from 50 moving average, go for buy order. Secondly, okay, let it consolidate. Okay, let it consolidate, and when it will be going up from here, okay, and stochastic RSI will be also will make a move from the oversold zone, just go for a buy order. Okay, because in this scenario we will be getting a clear confirmation that yes, this level is a valid support for the market. Now in that case, you just put your stop loss below this level. Okay, so these are the two area of values for us in Euro USD chart right now. If you are in a position right now, if you have made good amount of money looking at my previous videos, then well and good, stay invested. Okay, and if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then these two are the best trading possibilities as of now. Okay, so hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.